welcome back to another video. It's me, your girl Briana Marie, and I am looking like a snack today, honey. Like, I am feeling this look. This look is so cute, and it's wig came out bomb. I told you I had a new method for my wigs, and I am starting to do the Ritz dye thing, and then I'll just cut it with the razor instead of the scissors because, like y'all say, a more rigid edge. I just still want to melt that lace to the skin. Like, it hasn't that compacted yet, but it's going to get there, y'all. I'm going to get this. I'm going to get it, just like makeup, y'all. Y'all probably are excited for this tutorial because it is a monochrome, basically a monochrome makeup tutorial matching my outfits. I wanted to match my outfit so bad. Like, this outfit is so cute, lay back, chill. This is the look for you. And I love this hair. This hair will be up soon. I do have a a video coming up of how she installed it. She did the wand curls, and then me putting it on my head. So this is basically like a get ready with me. So if you want to see how I achieve this look, then keep on watching. Did my eyebrows, and I already know I did my eyebrows with. You can check the description right below if you want to know all the products that I use for my eyebrows. So now I'm about to go on my P. Louise base just on the areas that are not concealed. And we're doing the inverse method today. I'm about to go in with 2 greens and then a brown, and then we're gonna add these colors. I'm basically going off my outfit, which is this. So I want to do the reverse method again. The 35B palette, which is this dark green right here. I always like my lash transition to be really deep. A 167 brush from Morphe, and I'm gonna pat all the way in the beginning. I mean, all the way to the inner tip dark. As you notice that when I do the reverse method, my brushes change. So I don't go from 504 to such and such to a fluffy brush to a medium fluffy brush to a dense brush. I go from packing the shadow on and then go from the tiny brushes, and then I get tinier. I don't know if that makes sense, but different brushes for a completely different method. Green is called tropical green, so I'm just trying to blend out this dark green that I laid down. So I'm gonna take out Morphe. I'm gonna blend for dear life, so I'm just about to be on her really blickers. You can tell that this shadow, the MinkFur shadows in tropical green, are really creamy. You can pack more green on with the 167 brush. This brown shade, this brownie taupe shade, this from Inglot, from the Freedom System. It's $2.92 from March 433. Going in with Rumor Base number 4. So I did take 5 to prep the base. Prep the eye base. My bad. Prep the eyes. And then now I'm going in with Rumor number 4 to cut the crease. And I'm going to use the Crown 469. I always get confused when I say that. So you're just going to pat your cut. So I'm going to do the same cut as the last one. This time I'm going to try my best. So I'm going to make my starting point from the end first. And then I'll work my way to that end point. Because my Summer Vibes palette, and it's this light orange right here. This is about as close as it's gonna get, and I'm gonna mix it in with a little bit of peach. So right here, perfect combination. So I'm gonna mix these two right here, which is to apply the same brush, the precision brush, the C469. Only thing that's giving me a problem is, that's probably why I stopped using it. Because the first time I used it, it wasn't nothing wrong with it. But the Give Me Glow Summer Vibes palette, the colors that I picked up, both of them, it's like patchy. I don't know. Patchy and stainy. Taking my Inglot gel liner, the number 77. Right now, so face is done. Let me tell you what I put on. Well, before I put on my lashes from Miss Diva. There's the lashes in the shade Oh So Juicy, y'all. I went in with the technique that I used in my last tutorial. The foundation, I went in with Clinique in the places that I highlight, and then on the outside, Urban Decay 12.0 foundation. And I actually like mixing those two together because something about the foundation in the foundation Clinique, I think, what's it says? 26 Amber. This is 26 Amber. It's light. So if I use it all over, it'll look like orange light. Like a, I don't know, like a bright pumpkin or something. So I only put that in the middle, and then on the outer part, I put that on the Urban Decay on the outer perimeters because it's darker, like a brown color, but it's like orangey. It got hints of orange in it at the same time. So I did that, and then I went in with my faves, my Tarte Shape Shape concealers in the shade Tan Sand and Deep, and then I went in with Black Opal's Ebony Brown to contour with. So and then for powder, I mixed translucent powder and medium from Laura Mercier, and then this is from AC Cosmetics, the powder I was telling you about. So I mix them together and it's actually better. It doesn't really have me oily. So I mix those two together, and this one is No Shine. So I mix No Shine and that one together. So now I'm about to powder my face all over with Huda Beauty powder, the baked powder. Y'all know I don't use the Kunaf no more because it gave me flashback. For far back, I got my Mimi highlighter, and I'm gonna take also Makeup Addictions. This is Bronzified. Take this brush, this Wi-Fi brush. I've been trying to master my highlight, trying to get it to look like it's coming out of my skin. I mean, like it's fading into my skin. So take my, what's this, 86 or 98, something like, I mean 68, yeah, I think it's 68 gel liner. And Chestnut by MAC, y'all, favorite. And then we want to add a peachy nude lipstick. I don't know. Actually matches like the stripe. It's up, and use my JCab Beauty lip gloss in the shade Honeymoon. This is a Whiskey and Honey by Give Me Glow Cosmetics. This is featuring Dsoar hair, and I love this style, y'all. Like, this is so cute. The lace melted into my skin, and I'm still trying to get the lace down packed. I haven't quite got it just yet. A little light on the lace, but I don't know. Maybe it's, I don't know. Are trying to get this down packed. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. Also press that bell button by the subscribe button. Once you subscribe, that only allows you to get notifications. We are at almost 160k, so on the road to 200k. Like, we are almost there. I remember when I was at 60,000 nails, like 60,000 nails, that's almost to 100k. Like, I was so excited. Continuously support me, and I really appreciate the ones that really watch the video, really support, like really support me. Like, this is crazy. Like, y'all be showing out, y'all be showing so much love, and I truly appreciate y'all so much. Share this video if y'all want to. I love teaching y'all, what I know, what I make mistakes on, like what I don't like. What it's just like, I love teaching y'all. Like, I love helping people. So if I can help somebody, I know I'm gonna get on this camera and help somebody with their makeup. I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. I'll see you guys on the next video.